Dryness is the nastiest enemy that your hair can have. It leads to breakage, split ends, frizz, and just bad hair health. No matter how much you condition your hair during washes, it does not seem to be enough. Well, that's because it's not. Store-bought conditioners don't do a lot for your hair except coat the shafts with silicone, that eventually just turns into build-up. The only way to save dry and damaged hair is to use ingredients that moisturize your hair shafts from within while also nourishing them. Avocado is one such ingredient that can help restore dry and damaged locks to their former glory. Throw all the ingredients into a food processor and process until you get a smooth, lump-free mixture. Start applying this mixture to your hair and also to scalp. Ensure that you focus on the tips of your hair, as these are the oldest and most damaged parts. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover it with a shower cap and apply heat using a blow dryer for about 15 minutes. You can also sit out in the sun for 30 to 45 minutes. Proceed to wash your hair with cool water and shampoo. Finish with conditioner. Squeeze the excess water out of your hair using a towel. Let your hair air dry. Olive oil has excellent conditioning properties. The oil is light and does not weigh your hair down. However, it makes a huge difference when it comes to the softness of your hair with just the first use. Honey, on the other hand, is a humectant which helps seal water into the hair shaft, curbing moisture loss. This, in my opinion, is the holy trifecta of hair care when it comes to dealing with dryness and damage. In a bowl, mash the avocado until it is free of lumps and to it add the mayonnaise. Mix well. Start applying this mixture to your hair from roots to tips. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover it with a shower cap and wait for 20 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and shampoo. Finish with conditioner. Squeeze the excess water out of your hair using a towel. Let your hair air dry. Mayonnaise comes with the goodness of eggs and the benefits of vinegar. It contains oils that work with the avocado in this hair pack to deeply condition your hair, giving you some smooth, soft, and lustrous locks. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to leave your valuable comments below.